In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Grammarly to Gmail, enhancing your email writing with ease and precision. Whether you're sending a quick note or a detailed proposal, Grammarly can help ensure your writing is clear and effective. So, let's get started. First, you need to head over to the extension store specific to the browser you're using. If you're using Chrome, you'll want to go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find a wide array of extensions to boost your browsing experience, and Grammarly is one of them. Once you're there, search for Grammarly in the search bar, and you'll see the Grammarly extension listed among the results. Next, you'll want to click on the button that says Add to Chrome. Depending on your browser, this might say Get or Install. This button is usually prominently displayed next to the extension name. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to add Grammarly to your browser. Go ahead and confirm the download. Once you've done this, the installation process will begin. It's pretty quick, so you won't have to wait long before it's ready to use. Once Grammarly is successfully installed, a new tab will automatically pop up. This tab will ask you to log into your Grammarly account. If you don't already have an account, don't worry. You can easily sign up for free. Just enter your email address and set a password, or use a social media account to make the process even faster. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. This step is essential as it allows Grammarly to personalize its suggestions for you and sync your preferences across devices. Now that you've got Grammarly installed and you're logged in, let's move on to using it with Gmail. First, refresh your Gmail tab. This ensures that the extension is fully integrated and ready to work with your email drafts. Once your Gmail is refreshed, click on the Compose button as you normally would to start a new email. As you begin typing your email, you'll notice Grammarly working its magic in real time. It will underline any potential errors or areas for improvement in your text, offering suggestions to enhance clarity, style, or correctness. You'll also see the Grammarly widget quietly sitting in the bottom right corner of your email draft. This unobtrusive little helper is there to assist whenever you need it. Simply click on the widget to view detailed suggestions and explanations for any underlined text. Grammarly not only checks for spelling and grammar, but also provides insights into the tone of your email, helping you ensure that your message is received in the way you intend. This is especially useful for professional correspondence where tone can be just as important as content. Remember, while Grammarly is a powerful tool, it's always a good idea to read through your email one last time before hitting send. This ensures that all the nuances of your message are perfectly captured. And there you have it. With Grammarly seamlessly integrated into Gmail, you can write emails that are not only error-free, but also engaging and effective. I hope you found this guide helpful and that Grammarly becomes an invaluable part of your email writing process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.